got something in this box.
Yes, we do. So,
Morrocco Method.
yes. If you want to get any of these products, the ones in this box are all vegan and raw hair care products.
Love
So
it.
check it out. We know it's vegan. We know they're raw ingredients, so none of the ingredients were heated.
There we go.
So
Okay.
here we go.
Here we go.
Morrocco Method.
Let's
This
see
is
what
the
we got.
first time we've looked in this box.
Hair care products.
Ooh, Lunar hair care. This is the Lunar hair cutting system. Contain all natural shampoos and conditioners that harness the energies of the 5 elements: fire, earth, ether, air, and water.
Wow, there we
So
go.
they use apple cider vinegar, earth essence like clays and botanical proteins, heavenly essence, herbs.
Botanicals.
Yes, the pine shale for the air, and sea essence, 𝙃𝙊𝙍𝙎, spirulina.
And
Woo!
marine proteins to energize and detoxify the scalp. The most natural hair dye on earth. That's the henna.
Oh, look, here it is, the first
So
hennas. Okay, so we have a medium brown.
I'm excited to tap in and use some of these for sure.
Yeah, here's a dark brown.
We can try.
Why not? It's
Maybe try.
natural. It's
Maybe
not,
like on my
Yeah.
beard. There's like some grays coming on the beard. So this is a medium brown. This is a dark brown.
Yeah.
100% natural botanical hair color. That's really cool.
Yep, and we got a neutral one too. Natural hair color, seriously. Awesome, awesome. So, but I've heard henna also is very nourishing to the hair. So that's really cool.
That's cool.
A Miracle Kids detangler.
Oh, okay.
That's cool.
So a
we
detangler.
could still put it in our hair.
That has a
Very
yeah.
herbally. I
herbally,
love that.
slightly like,
And it says
not really mint, but
raw, paleo, and wildcrafted on the label.
That's
like
cool.
essential oils, really clean ingredients.
Yeah.
Look at that. Super
cruelty
clean.
free is the most important part.
Revitalizing luxurious hair care conditioning hair bar.
Oh, a bar.
A bar. Look at those ingredients.
Yeah, you've got
Clean stuff right here.
Yeah,
Clean
olive.
stuff.
olive, water, coconut, castor oil, yeah, shea butter, lavender, right?
There's rosemary, which is really good to stimulate hair follicles and stimulate circulation.
That's cool.
That is really cool.
Oh, there's
there's two. Look at
two
that.
bars. That's cool.
I love how just natural
Yeah,
and simple they are.
Right.
So cool.
that's cool. That's a nice little pack. Oh, look at here. Some Euro oil.
Oh, oil therapy for hair and scalp.
Rad. So this is raw and vegan oil therapy for scalp. This is really good, especially for individuals who have a little bit more of a dry scalp, which I myself do tend to run a little bit more of a dry scalp, especially living here in Vegas. It's pretty dry. So that'd be kind of
Look,
nice.
it's so cool. It says raw and vegan on
love
it.
that.
Like, how cool is that?
It's only a few drops to the hair and scalp. Doubles as a moisturizer for the body and face, so that's pretty cool. So we've got here, this is Diamond Crystal Mist. This is leave-in conditioner and moisturizer.
That'll be good for at the gym.
Yeah, and it's cool. It's like raw and natural. I love seeing it. Like
That's a diamond crystal, and this is a sapphire.
and that's a conditioner as well.
Yeah.
They're both leave-ins. Leave-in conditioners are awesome.
Oh my gosh, this smells so good.
This one doesn't really have a smell.
Oh yeah, this
Ooh,
one's
yeah.
more neutral.
That does smell
That's
good.
super herbally. It's kind of like a tea tree oil,
Yeah,
like
tea
really
tree.
intense
That's nice.
deliciousness.
Sweet, some leave-in conditioner.
Yeah, floating lotus conditioner, element ether, 100% natural and raw for all skin types. It's very
all hair
shampoo.
types. Yeah. And
And
you know,
it-
it's so cool to look at the ingredients. Like it's
Oh.
all just like you can pronounce everything.
This one I'm excited for. This is a hair gel. I think we're gonna try that
Oh.
with our curls.
Nice. This is the gel.
Yeah, I want to smell this.
I like that. I like using some gel once in a
Gel.
while.
You should take your hair down. Show the
But the
smell.
gel is really cool.
Look at that hair.
Yeah, that is nice.
And then we have the Pearl Essence Cream Conditioner.
Okay, so this is a different conditioner. It'll be nice to try out some of these different conditioners because I definitely have
Gentle.
a couple conditioners that I really like. That really work great. And leave-in conditioner, I love leave-in conditioner.
Yeah, because you can just spray it on and leave it in. Whoa, I'm gonna like this one. Feng Shui
Ooh,
facial scrub.
Feng Shui.
I am so gonna use this tonight.
That's cool.
That is super cool.
It's a scrub, a facial scrub.
Yeah.
It looks like it's got some
Prickly pear, maybe some pumice stone
it's
in
got
there.
walnut shell,
Oh, walnut shell. That's pretty
ground
cool.
walnut shell. Yeah, white willow bark. Very nice.
Oh, yeah, it's kind of minty.
Yeah.
It probably has like a really good stimulation. What's this?
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is the elements.
Okay. Oh, cool.
They're all the elements. So there's the earth, air, fire, ether, and water. And they're all shampoos.
It's so cool
Wow.
with the colors. Like they're just, you know, they're kind of a brownish. Like it really looks like a natural. Like if you were to make your own conditioner at home, it probably would be brown, right? I don't know, but
Very, very natural smelling, like nothing like perfumey
Yeah.
or intense. It's all like essential oil.
beautiful. That is really cool. Because that's one cool thing about this is because, you know, it's like where do you go like to get good quality hair products that are vegan and raw? Like raw is so cool. Here we go.
Ooh, it's the Elixirs!
Nice.
And look, they sent us one for each of
Oh,
us
cool.
of the gold and the silver.
So we can each try.
So this is the advanced hair and scalp restoration. So this is going on the scalp
Gotcha.
to help stimulate hair growth and nourish the hair
So the
follicle.
golden crystal or the silver grapeseed.
Grapeseed.
So the golden one is a leave-in conditioning elixir, promotes healthy hair regrowth and scalp restoration. It's particularly, well, it smells good. Particularly beneficial for those with dry and or irritated scalp conditions, which that I definitely can have a tendency to have that, especially in the wintertime. It's dry
So
here.
dry. And then the silver one is a grapeseed elixir.
Yeah. And that's for thinning and all hair types.
So the application instructions is to apply twice daily. AM after washing and towel dry your hair, massage 1 pump of the elixir into your hairline and scalp, brushing your hair with proper technique to spread the elixir throughout. That's another reason why you would, we're gonna look for that like
Yeah.
massager because I think that would be
I
really
like that
cool.
massager style. I'll just massage some of
When
this in
using
right now.
golden elixir, use very sparingly during the day as it has a higher oil content than the silver. Okay,
Gotcha.
so that's good to know. This one would be better like at night before your shower the next day. So if you could put a little more oil in there. This is really
It's
cool
really cool.
company.
I like that the products are just, they're natural, they're raw, they're vegan, and like I said, sometimes it can be tricky to find good hair care products that are checking those boxes. So way to go, Morocco.
Yay, thank you, Morocco
So
Method.
cool.
And we're gonna have fun with all of these. The shampoo or the conditioner bars,
So good.
very cool. But
Bye guys.
bye, thanks for joining. And thank you, Morocco Method.